Nyojong and welcome to another story session. This story is very short. Again, it's for those who are busy and don't have time to listen to longer stories but still want to get their daily dose of horror stories in, or for those who just prefer listening to shorter stories. This one is for you. Enjoy. I woke up to my phone ringing in the middle of the night. I looked at my phone and saw it was my girlfriend and answered it. She sounded scared and kept telling me that she saw her. I told her to calm down and tell me nicely about what was happening. Again, she kept telling me that she saw her, but this time in a whisper. So I asked who was she seeing. She replied back, "Your wife. I think she's here with me." Confused, I replied back, "Babe, that can't be possible. She's dead." My girlfriend whispered back, "I know she's dead, but I think she came back to haunt me. Help me. I'm scared." I was taken aback, thinking to myself, this can't be possible. My wife died 2 weeks ago. My girlfriend must be paranoid. Then I heard my girlfriend screaming out from my phone. Then all of a sudden, just dead silence. "Hello? Are you there? Are you okay?" I asked. After a few minutes of dead silence, I heard someone chuckling. Then I heard my deceased wife's voice coming from my phone. "Hey, honey. You thought I didn't know what you've been up to, huh? You called me crazy for thinking that you were cheating on me. You said I was paranoid when I was accusing you of cheating. Look who's paranoid now. I know you wanted me dead so you can run away with your girlfriend. Well, I did you a favor and hung myself. But now I got my revenge. Your girlfriend is dead. We'll see who's the paranoid one now." Beep. The call ended. I sat up in my bed thinking this must be a nightmare. I dialed my girlfriend's number and called her again. I waited and waited, but no one answered. This can't be real, can it? Alrighty, and that concludes this story. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, click the like button. If you guys didn't, click the dislike button. If you have any questions, comments, write them down in the comment section below. Do all that jazz. And let's see. Yes, consider helping me out by subscribing to my YouTube channel. And I just want to say thank you to those who have already subscribed and who are showing their support. I do feel the love, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you. All right. Take care, guys.